life, Fadiah Qisthina. Oh yeah! Hi guys, so we're just chilling today because the weather is good. So today I have a box here and that I'm going to unbox. So I ordered 3 pair of shoes, one for me, my husband, and one for my daughter. Let's take it out, all the boxes.
This is my box.
Yeah, this is your box. Let's open. Is this mine? Yeah, this is my shoes.
Wow, small shoes.
And here it is. It looks big, but I don't know will it be big or just regular, because the size is 9, but as we know, every brand they have different size. Even the number is same, but the measurement will be different, slightly different. And this is the box from Puma. It's a red box. It's 9, size 9. If you see, my nails is chipped everywhere because I didn't do it again. I don't have time yet, so yeah. This is made in Indonesia. Oh, I didn't know it. Look, made in Indonesia. And this shoes is for Anindia. Pink. The size is something inside. Wait. The size is 10 US, yeah, 10 US. This is 10 US. It's so light. The sole here so soft. I think they use like kind of memory foam or something. So if you guys wanna buy these shoes for your daughter or your relatives, it is so nice. This one is mesh.
Mommy, I don't see
and so soft, like. And the logo is so small here, so it's not so distractive. So this one made in Vietnam. So the shoes name is ST Activate AC Toddler Shoes, and the price was $30. The size is true. My daughter used to use 9 and this is 10, so it's somewhat room for her. And let's jump to my shoes. From the look, this shoes is quite like large for me, maybe because of the sole. The sole is somewhat thick, as you can see here. It's thick. I need something that's soft and somewhat thick and soft, so then my feet won't hurt when I walk, if I walk or run too long. The sole here, it's so nice. It's so rubbery here, and it's not so wide. It's kind of like narrow. And here is the brand logo. It's big. Puma. At the back there is nothing, only small logo there. The shoes somewhat heavy. I think because of the sole here is somewhat solid, but not that heavy that like a boots or something like that. It's still usable and nice. Yeah, they have 4 colors for this model, but I just like this color. It's brown creamy kind of color, and purple and this teal. It's just a unique color for me. And inside the foam also they have, and it's removable, so we can wash it, and it's like memory foam. It's somewhat thick, so it's nice to have thick thing. I like thick thing. And then the last is my husband's shoes. He chose this one, and this is also made in Vietnam. I don't know, for me it's made in Indonesia, but for my daughter and my husband made it for Vietnam. And this is the shoes my husband has. It's actually nice. The design is simple, but it's nice. This is in gray and yellow, and the logo here, so big logo, Puma. The tongue with the shoes is not detachable, so it's one, and it has this kind of thing. It's actually for the lace. And at the back is, you can see here the design like up like that. The upper side here is mesh and the inside is same, so soft foam plus optimal comfort, it's just same. The pattern is like this and it has this one thing here. So we have this one and this one and Anindia's one. She wearing it right now. I cannot take it. Yeah, so we are going out. Is it nice or not? Let's try it outside. What is that?
Flower.
Thank you.
It's so shiny, right?
Yeah.
Shiny.
Yeah. Alright guys, we are in the park now and the shoes feel so nice. When I walk in the concrete or road like that, it feels so grippy. It's not slippery at all, and I thought it was big, but when I use it, it's so fit to me. How about you, Anin? What you feel about the shoes?
Warm.
Huh?
Warm.
What warm? The shoes, good or not?
Yeah. Here you go.
Do you like it or not?
What are you going to put in this in here? All of it.
Yeah, it's kind of spongy when we use it.
Here you go. Wow, my friend.
Alright, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to buy the shoes, I'll put the link in the description below, and see you in the next video. Bye.